Ever found yourself in a pickle, needing to reach out to a service, but hitting a brick wall when trying to find their contact information? Maybe you're a small business owner, meticulously managing your appointments with Setmore, and suddenly you've got a burning question. Or perhaps you're a client trying to reschedule a crucial meeting, and the usual channels just aren't cutting it. In today's digital age, with so many platforms and services vying for our attention, knowing how to get in touch when you genuinely need help can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and frankly, a bit of a productivity killer. You're not alone if you've experienced this. We rely so heavily on these tools to streamline our lives and businesses, but what happens when the tools themselves present a challenge? That's precisely what we're tackling today. We're diving deep into the practicalities of contacting Setmore, one of the leading appointment scheduling platforms out there. Whether you're a new user still finding your feet, a seasoned professional encountering a unique technical glitch, or a client with a specific query, this video is designed to equip you with all the knowledge you need to connect with Setmore effectively and efficiently. Forget the endless searching and the dead-end links. We're going to lay out every viable option, from their robust online support to direct communication channels, ensuring you spend less time frustrated and more time focused on what truly matters to you. So let's cut through the confusion and get you the answers you need fast. So you need to contact Setmore. What are your options? Setmore, like many modern software-as-a-service SaaS companies, prioritizes digital and self-service support. This means their website is your first and often most effective port of call. Option 1. The Setmore Help Center, your first stop for answers. Think of the Setmore Help Center as a comprehensive library of knowledge, specifically designed to answer almost any question you might have. It's packed with articles, guides, and troubleshooting tips. To access it, simply navigate to the Setmore website, setmore.com, and look for a support or help link, usually located in the footer or a top navigation menu. Once there, you'll find a search bar. This is your best friend. Type in keywords related to your query. For example, if you're having trouble with online payments, type that in. If you're looking for information on integrations, search for that. The beauty of the Help Center is its organization. Articles are often categorized, making it easy to browse by topic. You'll find sections on account management, scheduling, staff management, integrations, payments, and much more. Before reaching out directly, it's highly recommended to spend a few minutes exploring the Help Center. Often, the answer you're looking for is already there, clearly explained step by step. This saves you time waiting for a response and empowers you to resolve issues independently. Setmore consistently updates its Help Center with new features and common troubleshooting solutions, so it's always a good idea to check there first, even if you think your issue might be unique. Option 2. Live chat for real-time assistance. Sometimes a quick search just isn't enough, or you need immediate clarification. That's where Setmore's live chat support comes in. Live chat is an excellent option for immediate assistance with less complex issues, or when you need a direct conversation with a support agent. You can usually find the live chat option within the Help Center, or sometimes as a pop-up widget on the Setmore website. Look for an icon that resembles a chat bubble. When you initiate a live chat, you'll typically be asked for your name and email address, and a brief description of your issue. This helps the support agent understand your context before they even start typing. Be as clear and concise as possible with your initial message. For instance, instead of saying, "My Setmore isn't working," try, "I'm having trouble connecting my Stripe account for online payments." The more information you provide up front, the faster the agent can assist you. Live chat is generally available during business hours, so keep that in mind when trying to connect. It's perfect for troubleshooting minor glitches, clarifying features, or getting quick answers to specific questions. Option 3. Email support for detailed inquiries and non-urgent issues. For more complex issues, those requiring screenshots, attachments, or a detailed explanation, email support is your best bet. Setmore provides an email address for their support team, which can typically be found on their Contact Us page or within the Help Center. When composing your email, be thorough. Include your Setmore account email address, a clear subject line, e.g., issue with Google Calendar Sync, or request for API documentation, and a detailed description of the problem or question. If applicable, include screenshots or screen recordings that illustrate the issue. This visual evidence can be incredibly helpful for the support team to understand exactly what you're experiencing. Also, mention any troubleshooting steps you've already tried, as this can prevent redundant suggestions. While email support might not offer the immediate gratification of live chat, it allows for a more comprehensive exchange of information and is ideal for issues that might require a bit more investigation from the Setmore team. They aim to respond to emails within a reasonable time frame, typically within 24 to 48 business hours. Option 4. Social media, for general inquiries and community engagement. While not a direct channel for technical support, Setmore maintains an active presence on various social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can use these platforms for general inquiries to stay updated on new features or to engage with the Setmore community. If you have a general question about Setmore services, want to provide feedback, or simply want to see what others are saying about the platform, social media can be a good starting point. However, for account-specific issues or technical problems, it's always best to use their official support channels, Help Center, live chat, or email, as these are designed for secure and direct assistance. Avoid sharing sensitive account information on public social media platforms. Option 5. Community forums, if available. Some software companies also host community forums where users can ask questions, share tips, and help each other. While Setmore primarily focuses on its Help Center and direct support channels, it's worth checking if they have an official community forum. If they do, it can be a valuable resource for finding answers to common questions or connecting with other Setmore users who might have encountered similar issues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.